Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about physical and chemical properties, reversible and irreversible changes.
Let's begin. An ice cube is left in the sun and melts into water. It is then placed in the freezer. What will happen? And the correct answer is letter A. It will turn back into solid ice. Butter is left in a warm place and melts. It is then put in the refrigerator. What will happen? And the correct answer is letter A. It will become solid again. Chocolate chips are heated until they melt, then poured into a mold and cooled. What will happen? And the correct answer is letter B. They will become solid chocolate again.
Water can freeze into ice again after melting, but a cooked egg cannot turn raw again. Why is this? And the correct answer is letter A. Water changes back and forth, but a cooked egg cannot. A stick of butter is solid at first. It melts when heated, then is cooled again. What happens to the butter? And the correct answer is letter B. It becomes solid again after cooling. An egg is cooked in a pan and then allowed to cool. What will happen after it cools? And the correct answer is letter A. It stays a cooked egg.
A green plant leaf is placed in the freezer overnight. What will most likely happen to the leaf? And the correct answer is Letter A. Frozen leaf. A plant leaf is frozen overnight. After it warms up, it does not return to its fresh shape. Why is this? And the correct answer is letter B. Freezing damaged the leaf permanently. A piece of paper is heated too much. What will happen to the paper? And the correct answer is letter A. Burn paper.
Candle wax melts when heated. After it cools, what will happen? And the correct answer is letter B. It becomes hard again. An ice pop melts when left outside. It is then placed back in the freezer. What will happen? And the correct answer is letter A. The ice pop melts, then freezes again. Butter, chocolate, and ice are heated and melt. After cooling, how are they alike? And the correct answer is letter A. Becomes solid again.
David cooked a pancake and placed butter on top of it, causing the butter to melt. Which of the two underwent an irreversible change? And the correct answer is letter B. Cooked pancake. Which of the following shows a change that cannot be reversed? And the correct answer is letter B. Cooking an egg. Which evidence supports the claim that some changes caused by heating or cooling can be reversed, and some cannot? And the correct answer is letter B. Some materials changed back, while others stayed changed.
Wood is heated until it turns into charcoal. What can happen next? And the correct answer is letter A. Charcoal cannot turn back into wood. A stick of butter is left on a hot plate, then cooled in the fridge. What happens to the butter? And the correct answer is letter A. Solid again. Butter
Chocolate and ice are heated and then cooled. How are they alike? And the correct answer is letter B. They melt with heat and harden when cooled.
How is a cooked pancake different from melted butter when deciding if the change can be reversed? And the correct answer is letter A, a pancake with solid butter. Mario is holding melting ice while Juliet is holding a fried egg. Who is holding something irreversible? And the correct answer is letter B, Juliet. Which change can be undone? And the correct answer is letter A, water freezes again.
Wood is heated until it turns into charcoal. What is the show about the change? And the correct answer is letter B. It cannot turn back into wood. What happens to melted candle wax when it cools? And the correct answer is letter A. It becomes solid again. What happens to melted chocolate chips after they are placed in a mold and allowed to cool? And the correct answer is letter A. They become solid again.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play.